This is an excellent paper airplane invented by me, and it is super good at flying. The glide ratio is super good, and let me tell you something. It is hard at folding. It's like advanced folding, but it's all worth it at the end. Now, with anything further to do, I'll show you the performance of this plane, and I'll teach you how to fold it. Okay guys, so we're outside and I hope you enjoyed the performance. First, without up elevator. Now without elevator.
Oh, it hit me!
Sorry.
Oh my!
It's really
I
nice
kind of got scared.
Goes up there. He's gonna throw one more to you guys. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Okay. Meet you back at the room. Hope you enjoyed. Okay guys, so we're back at the room now. Please try to full display. Grab your sheet of paper, and it should be 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper. Just gonna put this right here. Okay. And let's begin. Fold your paper in half like so. Like in many paper airplanes. Use that rail well. Open that up. And you want to flip the paper over. Now you want to fold this top edge to the center, like in many paper airplanes. Set it on the other side, and I'll give you some time. Okay, be good. This is better here. Now you want to fold this top point to these edges, or to the bottom of this whole triangle you just formed by folding this. Just like this. Okay. Gonna give it some time. Okay. And now you want to fold down on this whole shape. Right here. You want it kind of to be like this size or less. Like that much. But you don't want to fold it right on the triangle here. You want to fold it, like, leave us like slight centimeter. instead of like this. The whole triangle is without any space here, but how you want to fold is with this little part here. Push that well. And now you want to fold this top edge to the center. Do the same thing on the other side. And your paper should look like this. And then you want to open these creases you just did, these flaps. And you want to fold this side edge to the crease you just made. Okay, just like that, sharpen that out, and do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna give you a little bit of time. This might be hard for the beginners. Just like that, and your paper should look like this, and I'll give you some time. Okay. Now, to make sure you're good, you wanna chuck this right in here. After crease it, like if it doesn't lay flat well, like the crease is not very sharp, you're in a good. You're good. You're good. Then you want to open these flaps up, and you want to fold this bottom edge of this shape that we folded down. You want to fold this bottom edge to the top edge, so it becomes your top edge. Sorry, I have to put a little bit. You see here. Okay, sharpen that, and you're good. Now this is the tricky part, but it's worth it. So you have this crease you did here, and you have like a crease here. They can also help you. You want to start at that point and kind of pinch crease it there, so you can see that crease intersecting that edge, that bottom edge. And this crease might help too, right at the point, right there. You want to pay attention to this crease right here that we did here. Okay, and you want to start at that point where that crease intersects that edge, and you want to go all the way and you want it to stop all the way at that crease. So you're gonna start from here, pull it down, and crease all the way here. Sharpen that out a little bit. Okay, sorry, my hands are in the way a little bit. That's how it should look like. And then you wanna this crease here is gonna break into that. So you want that crease to have in that edge, to meet that edge, to become its edge too. So you're forming just this crease into an edge right there. And then you actually want to just press your thumb here, and by that crease, you're gonna it's gonna let you do this awkward shape here. And you want to put that edge right here. Sorry, this edge right here into that edge. Just like this. My hands are in the way. So that. Okay. This should be perfect to see. Just here. Sorry about that. My hands are in the way. So you have this, and you want to press in your thumb and go all the way. Then you crease that as it normally goes. And then you want to flatten up like normally, like it's naturally going to fold down. You have this crease here, and then you want to fold it down just like that. And you don't want it to touch the very top, but you want it to make it shorter than these two creases here. Okay? And then just actually flip that tab out here. And you want to do the same thing on the other side. Again, you're going to see a crease right here. and that crease too, intersecting that edge. Sorry if my hands are in the way. With this all the way to this top crease right here. You can kind of see it with this. Okay. And then you want to make an edge. So you want to make an edge. It doesn't have to actually be perfectly on the crease, but you want it to be very close. Just like this. See? Going down like that. Press down, creasy here, and press down into that edge. So you're forming an edge to touch that edge right here. That's all. And then you wanna actually press your thumb here. Right, sorry about that. Press your thumb here, and just your crease gonna roll in, and you wanna pull that edge into that edge. That edge. Sorry if my hands are in the way, just trying to make it perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna show you again. You have it here, crease that, put your thumb here, and then you wanna do it all the way so it lands on that edge. And then you just wanna flatten, but now you wanna kind of pay attention. You wanna make it equalized as this. It's not perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. But that's about it. Okay, you don't want to touch the top, but if you do, I think it's fine. There's something very smart about this locker here. It's very, very cool. So, when you do this, your lockers are gonna break. But when you flip them back, you still get your lockers and you can fold it down. Now, you're gonna have this existing crease. This existing crease and this existing crease. And this is gonna shut here, and you're gonna see this crease really breaks right at that point, at that edge. And you wanna tuck that in by the existing crease. I'm gonna repeat that again. So you have this existing crease, and you're gonna fold down on it. Then you want to tuck this other existing crease into that pocket, just like that. And it's actually gonna barely fit, which is super good because you really want a nice strong locker. Do the same thing on the other side. Fold on your first existing crease, and then tuck this in the pocket right here. If you're not understanding, I can help you. Sorry about that. Something wrong here. My bad. Just trying to make it better. Okay, that's good. Just reusing this crease because probably I did it bad. The fold is correct. The folds are correct, but I didn't really sharpen it that well and stuff. It's normal. Okay, and then just want to sharpen out these edges here. Okay, and your paper should look like this. So it's look on the inside, this will look in the back. Here. Okay, I think that's all. Now, you want to fold it in half. And you really want to fold it in half. And you can also, it's going to happen in the existing crease. And you want to actually start at a higher point here, a little above the nose. And you want to land that edge on that side corner, sorry. Okay, and you want that about that much is good. Not at the nose, but that much. And then you really want to land this edge on that corner. Right. It's gonna take it away. Sorry about that squeak. Flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. And you really want to match. So you want to put that corner on that corner And you want to line these edges too. Just like this. Just like that. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And check out this foldable plates, incredible paper airplanes plus fitted controls with step-by-step 15 designs illustrated paper. It comes with illustrated paper and it's designed by Kyle Boyer. His name is foldable. His name of the channel is Foldable Plate. Like always, please subscribe. It helps me. And good luck flying your plane.